This is TL Cooking. As I said in my last video, I can't have that much spice and everything, but I love guacamole. So we were in a hotel room, and usually we bring some food along if we stay there for a few days. And I was so hungry for guacamole, so I thought, okay, I'm going to try fixing this without putting the jalapeno and all the tomatoes. I can't have tomatoes. So I thought, okay, what if I just take avocados and put some garlic salt, because garlic I can have, garlic is good for me. So I thought, okay, I'll just try that. Well, it was good. I know I can't have that many crackers, or not crackers, but chips. So, but I ended up making it, having the chips, and I felt fine. I was so amazed. So, I am showing you what I did. I just took some avocados. And I always wait until I can get them cheap, because a lot of times they're expensive. But I get these for 49 cents a piece at Aldi's. So I just take the avocado. I have 3 of them. Usually if it's just the 2 of us, I usually have to fix 3. So I will get them all out. Seeds out. This one's a little bit harder than I like, but we will try to get them all mashed up. So start mashing them up, and we'll get them all nice and soft. Now, as you can see, I got it all mashed up. All I'm going to take is garlic salt and just put some in there. And this is kind of, have to do it by trial and error. Just put some in there, give it a taste, put some more in, however much you like. More. And there you have it. This is a less spicy guacamole. So it's just avocados and garlic salt. For me, with having gastritis, it works for me. It may not work for another person, but it works for me, and at least I can still enjoy my guacamole without having it all spicy. So I hope you try it. I hope you like it. This is TL Cooking.